the name of that amazing porter guy you mentioned? The porter guy. The man said that lovely porter who was helping you out. John Doyle?
Yeah, him.
Yeah, he seems really nice. He's like your Willy Wonka, I think, is he? Just one of those nice people in life. When was the last time you saw him?
The last time I saw him was when I was at Temple Street, and I had the hug with me.
Okay, so about a year ago, I'd say, was it? It's a long time now.
No, it was actually this year.
Oh, this year. Okay, so thereabouts. Would you like to meet him tonight?
Yeah,
Would you like me to bring him out from the sky for you?
yeah,
Would you like to say hello to him in about 20 seconds?
yeah.
What would you like to say to him?
I would like to say hello.
Hey, everybody. Let's get John out here. The nicest. Look at the peach. Let's see if he's going to emerge. There he is. Hi, Adam. Hi. It's John Doyle, the nicest hospital porter in Ireland. All right. Oh. Hey, John.
Great to see you, Adam.